Hey everyone, what's up? So it is January 7th. Alright, so we are on our way to take the dogs to the get their shots, and after that I have to go to chiropractor, but yeah, we're gonna take you guys on the way.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, so we're here right now, but my sister went inside to check how long the line is, and I'm here with the Wowzers. I really want to go home. Alright, here she comes back. She's like, right, left, right, 20. Right, left, right, left. Look at it. What'd they say?
Oh shit, no wonder.
What? What?
It's already on 18 and we're number 20, so we're almost up. But there's a lot of cars. What if we just wait outside with the dogs?
Okay.
Fuck, we're gonna have to, wait, can you put, oh no, yeah, perfect. Mia doesn't have, I'll hold Mia.
So do we go right now?
Yeah.
Alright.
We got him. What? Now I really don't know how long this is gonna take, but I'm not gonna vlog so much in there, so you guys are just gonna see this, and then I'll cut back to when I go back home. Alright, so warping back.
My brother got a new whip, so, shit. Damn, Gino. Okay, posing for a thumbnail. I think I got it. Damn.
But we got the fam outside. I know. So yeah. Dope. Abuelita, what do you think about the car? ¿Qué piensas?
¿Qué pienso? Estoy muy contenta porque mis hijos mis nietos están progresando. ¿Vas a ir? ¿Vas a ir?
So yeah, that's the new car. His old car actually got hit by a tree. So let me show you guys that. And he just picked it up today, so it's pretty sick. So here's the old car. Whoa. There's like a little like behind the scenes. So a tree hit right there. Bam. See that inside. And then yeah. Fuck. On the floor, but it's probably because there's like bomb ass lighting. Oh fuck. Damn, I punched the wall. Holy shit. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.